On May 15th, 2021, a protest took place in downtown Toronto. As someone who believes in the importance of documenting genuine, real-life events, I had to make it out to photograph. Let's be clear. My job as a photographer is not to judge or take sides, but to observe, ask questions, learn if possible, and then tell the story. The following footage and images is my recollection of the few hours following the large crowd through the streets. Tens of thousands flocked here from various parts of the province to make themselves heard. I watched what unfolded. Then, I made pictures.
People, they have to stand up for freedom because they will take every civil right away from us. We have to show that we do not comply, we do not accept this. I do not agree with this. We are born free sovereign beings. I mean, that's ludicrous. People are willing to sell their soul. No, I will die. If I die, I die. I'm gonna die anyway. I will die. We all will die. But I will die with my DNA the way God made it. gotta do what they told ya! You gotta do what they told ya! You gotta do what they told ya!
Hey, but what's your name?
My name's Ami.
These are amazing stats. What do they mean?
Well, it means that anybody under the age of 20, there's zero risk, virtual zero risk. So there's no reason for kids to be in masks. There's no reason for them to be having to do homeschooling.
Guys, you guys see that facial recognition
They
camera
should be
on top of that?
in school, getting taught by their teachers. The lockdowns don't work. They're showing a huge spike in suicides of children and adults, business owners. Huge depression increase, substance abuse, spousal abuse, child abuse, and I really think we just got to get back to normal life living.
Freedom.
Freedom.
Anti-tyranny. Pro-choice. Pro-choice when it comes to wearing a mask. Pro-choice whether you want to stay at home or work. Pro-choice if you want to take a vaccine. It's all about freedom. Freedom of choice.
Why are you guys here today? What's the main reason you're here today?
It's a great big event to end the lockdowns once and for all. I think people are here from other provinces too. Yeah, there's like 20,000 here.
Amazing. Is it that many? 20,000?
Oh no, way more.
Way more. It's like there is a crowd going from one side of the highway to the other for miles.
What's the sign you're holding up? Can I see
This
it?
one is, they think it's going to go back to normal, but you know what? It's not.
Here now. Why are you taking part in it?
Because we don't want to live in tyranny. And we are. We're living under a dictatorship. People are going to wait for Ford to say that food's not essential? You already said clothes aren't. What's next? They're taking away our freedom. It means all the children have no future. We can't have that. We can't allow that to happen.
Why are you here today?
Same reason everybody else is.
And what's that exactly?
Get rid of all the bullshit.
Freedom.
Yeah. My two grandfathers died in World War II, and I'm gonna die fighting for this fucking shit too.
Great. Thank
No,
you.
really.
Awesome. Cheers.
I was hoping I'd be dead before this happened because I knew that Agenda 21 and Agenda 2030 were going to be happening, but I didn't believe it was going to be like this. No more lockdowns.
Hey guys, why are you here today?
For freedom.
Freedom.
Gotta get it. Gotta get it back.
Why are you guys here today? What's your main reason?
I'm here in the spirit of love, solidarity, collective human consciousness of love. I'm here to stand for the sovereignty of women, children, divine masculinity, divine femininity, freedom of choice. I stand against all forms of warfare that include but do not limit to biological, chemical, spiritual, ethnic warfare. I believe that there's a huge need to protect our women and children. You know, there's a huge need for men to stand for being men. If the men are trying to be women, who will protect the women? I feel like we're being bamboozled. There's a very serious urgency to start shaking our heads and standing together. Don't believe the news. Everyone knows better. There's no racial division. We all love everyone. Asians, blacks, whites, Indians. We're a collective humanity. Big up Venezuela. Big up China. Big up Palestine. Big up all the people, bro. One love. That's what we're here for.
Then, I made pictures.